Hey everybody, you're watching Ready Set Drone, and today I have the LED flash propellers for the DJI Mavic Air. Now when I first got these, I saw Spark on one side and Mavic Air written on the other side, and it made me think that it would work on both. I haven't tried that yet, I don't think it will, but Mavic Air is checked and that's what I ordered, so that's why I think it's for the Mavic Air. We're gonna try them on the Mavic Air, fly them around a bit, and see how they do, so stay tuned. All right, so I've got the LED flash propeller here, and I've got a regular Mavic Air propeller right here. You can see they're pretty much the same size. The biggest difference is where the battery goes. And these LED flash propellers are actually rechargeable batteries. You use a micro USB port to plug them in and charge them. And it actually comes with this cable that has one USB that goes into your USB plug, and then 4 micro USB on this end to charge all 4 propellers at the same time. That's really slick. And actually, I'm excited about using this for other stuff because I'm always charging micro USB stuff. So we'll set that aside. The size of these things is almost identical. No, it's turned off. There it is. Now I've got it on. You can see how bright it is. There's 5 colors: white, green, blue, orange, and red. And so the weight of the original prop, 2 grams on the original prop. It's kind of bouncing in between 4 and 5. So I'm going to say 5 grams for the battery-powered prop. I did wonder if it would work with the Spark, and the Spark's propeller is slightly shorter, so that might be one issue you're going to run into. If you were to put 2 of these onto the Spark. Yeah, they're not going to work on the Spark because they're too long. They would potentially run into each other, so that's one good reason not to even try to put them on the Spark. The mechanism seems similar, but I just tried and it didn't go on very easily, so I'm not going to force anything here as far as getting the propeller on. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take off the 4 Mavic Air props. They do have these little white lines here, and these little white lines, or they don't have them. So as you can see, these 2 don't have them, and so these are going to be the same, and the ones that do have them are going to be the same. So it makes it really easy to get them on the right place. All right, and there is the Mavic Air with all 4 of the LED props on it, ready to go. Again, very little difference in the form factor other than a little extra height here that you can see where the batteries go. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn these guys on and just fly it around in here a little bit and maybe kill the light so we can see it. Okay, so as you can see, the brightness on these things when it's dark, indoors or out, is amazing. They really just look fantastic and super cool. I never get tired of that. I have to say too, the ones on the Mavic Air, to me, feel a little bit more, I don't know, more like the regular props than the ones on the Mavic Pro did. I have some for the Mavic Pro. They do just fine, but these, for some reason, just feel exactly the same. The other ones, I could tell I was flying with a different set of props, but with these, they really do feel the same. They are also rechargeable, which is a really nice feature that you don't have to put new batteries in. I think you're supposed to get like 4 flights out of each 4 full flights, so 2 hours of runtime if you flew for 30 minutes, which you probably wouldn't. But they also come with a 4-pronged charger, so each time you're done, you can take them off and charge them up if you want to. But you'll get at least 2 or 3 flights out of them if you're flying for a long time, and maybe more. I'm a big fan. Again, I don't think they're really designed for everyday flight, but if you want to do something cool when it's evening or indoors in the dark, they're pretty cool. Just be careful, because a lot of your sensors on the drone won't work when it's dark. If you know what you're doing and you got lots of space, it's not a problem though. So if you want to know more about the specs and the pricing on the LED props, I'll put a link in the description below. And also, if you have a Mavic Pro and you want to see the video I did about those props, I'll put a link to that at the end of this video as well. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to know more about drones and RC stuff, please subscribe to Ready Set Drone, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.